What up, ninjas? So we're out here in part of the back 40 planting some pear trees because this water sometimes this land sometimes gets water on it, so the water will rise sometimes and get flood out, but not for very long. So we planted pears down here, so that because the roots don't actually have to breathe, the plant breathes instead of like apples and stuff where the roots have to breathe. So anyways, we're doing lasagna or layering mulch down here. So usually I'll do an 8 foot by 8 foot square or 10 foot by 10 foot. But this is just some of the stuff I have. And then we're gonna go ahead and went and picked up some mulch, as my kids used to call it when they were little. And it's just sawdust. But we're going to apply that all around it. Then we're going to put a load of leaves on it. Apply cardboard, sawdust, newspaper, leaves, and then another load of sawdust on top of that. This is the thinner sawdust. Put it down at the bottom. And then I'll put the flakier, shaved, curly stuff, the larger particles up toward the top. But the cardboard is there to feed the earthworms so that they can come up through the earth and leave their castings or castings, and aerate the soil, and give the soil good aeration, amongst other things. But anyways, this is how we do it. We're not just sitting on our ass behind a keyboard. I mean, we do in the morning time for the morning show, but all those other people that want to say that, you're a keyboard warrior, you're not doing anything, this is for you. So not everybody has time to waste and sit at a computer all day. People are doing real shit, and you need to be doing real shit now, especially right now, because you don't know how much a pear is going to cost you next year. Oh, that's elderberry right there in front of it. So this is elderberry, and that's a pear tree. So they'll be pruned here for too long, but I wanted to do this because the boxes are starting to collect, and get this taken care of. Show you guys and gals what's up. So anyways, I'm Irish USMC Vet. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints. Leave them in the comment section below. And simplify, Godspeed. Have a great day. Do something productive. You could do this anywhere. You can do this on your hiking path, in a forest. Maybe not to this extent, but you can use natural materials. You don't have to use cardboard. Just take that off and go out and plant this somewhere on a trail that you like to hike. Plant that somewhere. As long as it's not an invasive species, nobody's ever going to fault you for planting something beneficial. So make sure it's a beneficial plant, and then go out and hiking trail, a route you travel every day that you know that if you break down, you may have to, search for food. Russia's already proved today that they can, was it today or yesterday, they can shoot down satellites. So there may be a day that comes whenever you don't have access to satellites and you only have access to maps. So now's the time to start using those maps again. And doing this, getting you out and plotting food plots or miniature food forests is definitely going to help you. Maybe somebody else if they run across it and they're lost or hungry. Definitely going to bring in wildlife, so then you can have a heads up, I guess, a hand up in the game. So anyways, simplify, Godspeed, peace.